What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video I'm here to share an unboxing and my girlfriend experience using this amazing Converse Chuck Taylor All-Star sneakers. This is a classic old styles from the 90s or 80s shoes that everybody really loves from All-Stars Converse. The material seems to be very durable, and according to her experience, it's really comfortable, even if you are walking to the park for a long day. And in the entire day, your feet gonna be really comfortable. It's not that hard to clean it up, just in some small parts, like the borders, for example. What is like a kind rustic, but it's good. The price it's not that cheap, but it's cost effective. The colors is stylish and the leather material that makes it look more fancy. And the old and classic box. And the tires that you can change for another colors or do some stylish in the case that you want. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And don't forget to check out the visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes and our YouTube channel for more unboxing videos. I will finish the video sharing some image from these sneakers, and I just can say that my girlfriend is basically in love with these shoes. And I see you later. All the best!